Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, as you can see, yesterday's European Central Bank meeting has made significant changes in overall situation on the daily chart of the euro currency. That's the risk that we have discussed yesterday, so that market could continue move to the upside and return right back above the double pivot point. That is combination of monthly and daily pivot points in this area. But what is more significant is that market in fact has erased the foundation of bearish context. It has erased the foundation of possible move to the 129 area and returns right back above, and you take a look, now it stands even above the weekly pivot resistance 1. When that has happened, and when I take a look today at this picture, well, I have recalled the moment that was previously significant, but we have forgotten a bit this moment in present time. Recall this ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom. Market has not quite reached its target that stands at 133.50 area. It's right here. The same is with weekly ABCD pattern that has the 618 extension target again around 133.50. Also 133.50 will be the daily overbought. I do not have this indicator now on this chart, but the 133.50 is the overbought by the oscillator predictor, stands also as well in this area. And take a look, slightly high at 133.80 stands the monthly pivot resistance 1. Another significant moment that market holds the retracement harmony. You can see, if we will measure this retracement, clone it and drag the current retracement, you'll see that it will be almost equal to the previous one. The market now has shown this really thrusting move right from the confluence support to the upside. Now price action stands around the trend break-even point, so you can see here we could get some pattern, maybe stop grabber or something, but in general, when you have this significant thrusting move to the upside, it very rare stops as it is. Very often, due to the momentum, it has the potential continuation to the upside, and that is logical from the long-term perspective, from the perspective of the untouched and unaccomplished weekly target and unaccomplished this ABCD pattern. So hitting of the 133.50, well, at least currently I think that particularly this area will be the nearest target of potential move to the upside. Anyway, currently I do not want to enter on the short side of the market. Not just because of this thrusting move to the upside, but mostly because of erasing of overall bearish short-term context that we had previously. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, we have the next picture. So you could see this ABCD pattern that we said that our risk, and market not just proceeded to the 131.80 area, that was the 618 resistance of that swing, okay, but take a look, it had proceeded right to the 1618 extension. That is very close to the weekly pivot resistance 1, and now market has stopped and coiling around this area. So some pullback to the downside could follow, but hardly this pullback will be very extended because market not at overbought. On the daily time frame, previous move to the upside was significant, and in fact market has no resistance areas right above it to hold it from the further upward move. So I suspect that this probably could be a retracement right to the 131.80 area. By the way, recall that, as we said, 131.83 was the disrespected 618 resistance. Very often the market retests the previously disrespected areas. That also stands around 131.80, 131.87 area. So that is the potential area that market could reach by this retracement if it will start. Trend holds bullish on the 4-hour time frame, significant bullish trend. Well, on the hourly time frame, we could see how it could happen, this pullback to the downside. We have an excellent thrust up. That could be in terms of the double repo sell pattern, although in the recent times the double repose patterns, especially on the hourly time frames, very often fails, especially on the hourly time frames. They work much better on the daily time frame, but on the hourly time frames they have significant tendency to fail. Well, based on current price action, it hardly will be the bread and butter buy, since we could see market already has 1, 2, 3, 4 closes below the 3x3. Well, if it will be the bread and butter, it should reach significant support right by significant retracement to the downside, but that hasn't happened. So the one development what could happen here is the possible double repo sell pattern, if it will appear. Or maybe this will be just some sort of the ABCD retracement to the downside. That also could happen. Take a look that we have a bit wide confluence support on the hourly time frames, 131.67, 131.87 area, 20 pips difference, and 50% support of that thrust to the upside stands very close to it. Why I talk about the 50% support? Because it's very common target for the double repo patterns. If it will work properly, then the most probable target will be around this 50% support area. That area is also includes, as I said, disrespected previous 618 resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Well, currently I do not see any significant patterns. So although we have some hints on the potential bearish patterns, for instance, as you call guys on the forum, this could be the bearish bet. This is some sort of the bet is the some sort of God is triple to sell pattern. But take a look at the CD leg. That's just tremendous thrust up. So entering short right from this area, even if you have, is it called the bad pattern, it's not, I suppose, will be very wise, at least if you do not a scalp trader. If you're a scalper, well, that's okay, it's possible, so you could try to make money on this potential pullback on some patterns on the intraday charts. So if even we will get the bet, and even if we will get the hourly double repo sell pattern right from the 1618 extension of the ABCD target and right around the weekly pivot resistance 1, that will be probably just a retracement, because if we will take a look again at this ABCD pattern, you could see that the CD leg is much steeper than AB, and market has reached at one move 1618 extension. So it's really significant move to the upside. It has this significant potential and significant momentum currently. If even market will start move to the downside, that probably will be just a pullback. And I suspect, have some suspicions that the upward we will see some sort of upward continuation. Again, I think that to enter short right now is not very good idea, and as I said, not mostly due to significant thrusting move, but mostly due to the breaking of previous bearish context. Because the breaking of the context is really significant. That is the foundation of the potential move to the upside. Since market has shown us that it does not intend to act to the downside, because it has erased all bearish setups that we have previously by this significant move to the upside. Hence, it's very probable that we will see some acceleration to the upside, some continuation to the upside, especially because market has now significant momentum. So potential move to the downside currently should be treated, I suppose, as just the pullback, and the most probable area of support. The destination of this retracement will be somewhere around 131.80, 131.87 area, as was specified on the daily time frame, on the hourly time frame, based on the potential double repo sell pattern, or some other way. So that is currently our thought on the market. now we have task to create the new trading plan, and I suppose we will take a look with the details on the euro currency in the weekend and try to make some reasonable trading plan for the new week.